हमारे लिए स्पेशल से कनाडा से हमारे मरियम दीदी आए, तो उनको पूछ लेते हैं कि कितने टाइम से देख रहे हैं, तो ऐसा यहाँ आए तो कैसा लगा, उनको लाइव रिव्यू पूछ लेते हैं। हाँ जी।
Hi everyone. So I was seeing this page for like now 6 months now, and I was waiting to come to India and buy dress specifically from Dulhari. And every piece they are showing so good that instantly I want to buy everything, and just love it. Absolutely love it. Good experience. Everyone is so friendly, nice. Just come here and buy everything.
યસ, એકચ્યુઅલી કેવું છે, અત્યારે બી કેવું 8:30 તો થઈ ગયા, આપણે 7:30 એન્ટ્રી ક્લોઝ કરી દઈએ છે હવે, તો બી તમે અત્યારે ઘરે જવાના ટાઈમે તમે પ્રોપરમાં સેલ્સ પર્સન અને તમને કલેક્શન કેવું બતાવો, કોઈ બી સર્વિસ તમને કેવી લાગી?
So friendly to the point that it feels like they are just giving you best experience. Such a friendly environment. Absolutely love it. And they are closing, but still I'm here and they are still showing me, which is such a great experience. So thank you so much for making my experience so good. And thanks to you and thanks to everyone.